Let's talk about a common rule in mobile apps. Android gives you installs, iOS gives you revenue. Sounds familiar? Here's why. Android dominates in user numbers, especially in global markets. But most of those users aren't spending money. iOS has fewer users, but they convert better. They subscribe, they buy. So, what if you want to monetize both? What if you could earn from all users, without ads, without paywalls? That's where CastarSDK comes in. It's a simple SDK that runs quietly in the background. No pop-ups, no UX changes. It uses idle network bandwidth to generate passive income. And it works on both Android and iOS. Whether your app has 10,000 users or 10 million, CastarSDK helps you earn more from everyone. No extra effort, no ads, just better monetization. Want to try it? Go to castarsdk.com and get started today.